Do not stick your tongue in the holes. Don't suck on the holes. We'll talk about it when you sober up. Okay? Your unicorn is in the parking lot. Yeah, you have a unicorn in the parking lot. Drunk. Stop touching it. Stop touching your mouth.
How long is it out?
30 minutes.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
I got the haircut.
Why you hiccup, Lou? You okay?
I got a haircut.
Stop talking.
I'm going.
There's other people in here. You're talking too loud.
It's not something I wanted to hear.
Shh, stop talking. There's other people here.
I got the haircut. I took my phone. Did they take my tongue too?
Yeah, they took your tongue too.
I don't know why I need my tongue.
They took your tongue too.
I don't know my
You got
tongue.
20/20 vision now. You can take your glasses off.
Uh-huh.
They fixed your eyes too.
Okay.
Oh, it'll wear off in a minute. You better see.
I have this.
You have super slip. You say are you
I
superhero?
don't have that.
Put your glasses back on. Put
Yeah.
your glasses back on. You got the hiccups. You been drinking.
I've been drinking an IV.
Huh?
I've been drinking an IV.
You were missing the IV?
Whatever he's saying, I think. No, I got lost one and something.
You lost one ear.
He said, I'm a permanently happy.
You wait 5 more minutes and then you gonna do what?
I'm not.
Hi, Mom. How are
Hi,
you?
I'm good. Yourself?
I am well.